Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Noble UK Academy. This evening, I want to see how I can help students of statistics, that is statistics majors. Of course, you know statistics is all encompassing. Engineering students do statistics. Management students also offer statistics. Sciences notwithstanding. Okay, so it is all encompassing for all and sundry. Okay, so this evening we want to see how we can look at solve questions that has to do with standard deviation as it borders classified frequency distribution, that is for group data. What we have here has already been grouped. I used to say set of an item 6 occurring 4 times, 7, 6 times, 8 occurring 10 times, 9, 11 times, 10, 8 times, 11 once. So how can we decompose this information or group data into standard deviation? Very simple. First thing first, to write your solution. Okay. Now, first thing first, for me to write out my midpoint, that is a class mark, which is x, and of course the frequency here, put them inside table. Okay. Now, this is my x, this is my frequency, and of course you have x, f, so I'm going to have f of x. Okay. Now for x, we have 6. Under 6, we have 4, frequency of 4. For 7, we have 6. For 8, we have 10. Okay. Then for 9, we have 11. For 9, we have 11. For 10, we have 8. And finally, for 11, we have 1. Okay. Very simple to determine. Now, for me to get my f of x by mathematics, f of x simply means f times x. Okay? Which means that if I have my f of x, which means 4 times 6, okay? 4 times 6, which will give me what? 24, meaning that this place is 24. 6 times 4, 24. 7 times 6, this is 6. 7 times 6 gives me 42. 8 times 10 gives me 80. 9 times 11 gives me 99. That's 99. 10 times 8 gives me 80. 11 times 1 gives me 11. Okay. Now I've been able to determine my f of x. What about x squared? Squaring this, what will it give me? X squared simply means x times x. Okay. So meaning that anywhere you have x, you square it. This is 6. So it means 6 squared. 6 square means 6 times 6, which is what? 36. Okay? 6 square gives me 36. 7 square gives me 49. 8 square gives me 64. 9 square gives me 81. 10 square gives me 100. 11 square gives me 121. Okay? Now, having gotten that, what if I have my f of x squared? What is that gonna give me? F of x squared. What will it give me? This simply means f times x squared. F of x squared means f times x squared. Okay? This is my f. This is my x squared. Meaning that 4 times 36 will give me f of x squared for this place. 6 times 49 will give me what will be here. 10 times 64 will give me what will be here. 11 times 81 will give me what will be here. So on and so forth. It's as simple as that. Now let's go. F, which is 4 times 36. 36 times 4 gives me what? 4 times 6, 24. Write 4, carry 2. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, 144. This one gives me 144. Okay, this one will give me 49 times 6. 49 times 6. What is that? 6 times 8 gives me 54. Carry 5. 6 times this. 24 plus 5, 29, 294. This gives me 294. Okay, I'm gonna have 64 times 10, that is 640. Okay, I'm gonna have 11 times 81. 81, 81, 198. Okay, 891. 891. Okay, so I'm gonna have 100 times 8, which is what? 800. And finally, I'm gonna have 121 times 1, which is 121. Now, we're gonna determine what we call summation F. Summation F simply means sum up all your F, sum it up. Summation means addition, add it up. Okay, so summation F. For this place, we're having, okay, let me put it this way. Summation F will give me, I'm gonna sum up everything I have here. 4 plus 6, 10. Plus 10, 20. Plus 11, 20 plus 11, 31. Okay, 31 plus 8, 39. Okay, 39 plus 1, 40. Meaning that our summation F here gives us 40. Okay, 40 is what we're having here. 40. So I can also determine my summation F of x. Okay, summation F of x. F of x here means, okay, yeah, F of x means we should sum up everything here. Summing this up, 4 plus this 6 plus this 6, that is 66. 66 plus 80, that gives us 146. Okay, 146 plus 99, this is 15, carry 1. Okay, 10, 14, carry 1, 2, 245. 245 plus 80, this gives us 5 here, this gives us 2, carry 1, 325. Then finally 325 plus 11, that is 336. So this one gives us, summation here gives us 336. Okay, what if we determine summation F of x squared? F of x squared, what is it gonna give us? What are we gonna have? It's very simple. Okay, now summation of the whole of this, 144 plus 294 gives us what? This is 8 plus this 13, carry 1, 4. Okay, then plus 640, 640, this is 8, this is 7, 10. Okay, then plus 8, 9, 1, this gives us 9, 6, 9, 1. Okay, 891, then plus 800, plus 800, this is 9, 6, 7, 2. Okay, and finally 121, 2769 plus 121, this is 121, What will this give us? 10 carry 1. This is 8 plus 1, 9. 8, 2. That is 2890. So this one gives us 2890. So the moment you've been able to do all of this, you are on your way to heaven. Yeah, you're on your way to heaven. You are close to the answer already. So you must know that the standard formula for standard deviation will represent standard deviation with letter S for frequency distribution, classified frequency distribution data, or we call it group data. We give you square root of summation f of x squared, okay, all divided by summation f minus, okay, that is a square minus, this total square root of summation f of x, all divided by summation f of x, or better still, you say minus summation f of x all divided by summation f all squared. You put it this way. So once you're able to write this, you are already on your way to heaven. So by reason of this, we have standard deviation giving us square root of summation f of x squared. What do we get as our f of x squared? That is 2890. That is 2890. All divided by summation f. What is our f? 40. Okay. Minus summation f of x. What is our summation f of x? That is 336. 336. All divided by summation f, which is 40, all squared. Okay. Better still, you can decide to square everything here, then divide it by the square of everything here, or you can decide to divide this by this, then after getting your answer, then you now square it. Whichever one you prefer, you're good to go. Okay, so now based on the fact that I'm not working with calculator here, see what I'm gonna do. This is 0, this is 0, so this one goes off. Okay, so I'm gonna have standard deviation giving me summation 289/4 minus, okay, minus, if I divide this by 10, 0 goes off. See what I'm gonna do now? I'm dividing everything here by 10. I'm dividing this by 10, dividing this by 10. So 10 will cancel out this 0. Then 10 gives me 33.6 here, meaning that I'm gonna have 33.6 all divided by 4. Okay, all squared. Okay. So by reason of this, our standard deviation becomes square root of 4 go here, 4 go into 28, that is 7, that is 7, 4 go into 9, how many times? 2 times, remainder 1, so that's 10, 4 go into 10, that will give me 2, that's 0.2. Okay, 0.2, remainder 2, 20, 4 going to 25, let's just say 0.25 approximately, then minus 4 going to 33.6 divided by 4, 4 go here into how many times? 4 times 8 gives us 32, okay, we have 8, 32, carry 1, okay, that is a 1. bring it here, 16, 4 go into here, into 16, 4. Okay, so 8.4 times 4, let's see what we have. This times this, 16, carry 1, 4 times this, 32 plus that one you carry 33, so it's actually 8.4. So this one gives us 8.4 squared. Okay, so by virtue of this, what we now having is 8.4 squared, meaning that you should multiply it twice. Okay, 4 times 4, 16, right? 6, carry 1, 4 times 8, 32, plus that one you carry, that is 33. Okay, 8 times this, 8 times 4, 32, carry 3. Okay, carry 3. 8 times 8, 64, plus the 3 you carry, 67, 6, 7. So you add up, this is 6, 5, this is 10, carry 1, 7. So this gives me 70.56. Okay, 70.56 is what I'm gonna have. 70.56. 70.56. Okay, so by virtue of this, my standard deviation, however, becomes, this is square root of 72.25 minus 70.56. That was what we got, 70.56. Okay, so minus it, you have 72.25 minus 70.56. Okay, now 5 can minus this, lend 1 from here, you have 15. 15 minus 6, that is 9. You're left with 1 here. 1 cannot minus 5, lend 1 from here, you have 1 left, bring it to 11. 11 minus 5 gives us 6. Okay, so what are we left with here? 71 minus 71. So at the end of the day, we have standard deviation giving us square root of 1.69. Square root of 1.69. Of course, I know that 13 times 13 will give me 169. Let's check it out. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 1, 3. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 1, 1. That's 169. But here we are dealing with 1.69. So what do you think will be the answer? So here, the square root of this is actually 1.3. So that is that. So I want to believe this has been helpful to you. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the link of my YouTube channel with other students across the globe. Make sure you're talking about second energy on YouTube. Let every big and hard know about second energy, and this will help them accelerate academically, irrespective of the choosing field where you are, whether you're a major of engineering, science, management. My channel is simply for you. Thank you. Till we meet again.